Hello friends, welcome to Elango Notes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to read the file contents word by word in shell script. So watch this video fully for clear understanding. Now we will move to video. So this is the basic steps for reading file contents word by word. First, this method is done with the help of the for loop. So unlike while loop, it will get the input from file using command substitution process. So command substitution is nothing but process of assigning the output of a command to the variable or expression. Usually this can be implemented using two methods. One is using backward symbol, like within the backward symbol you can target your any Linux command. After that, in left hand side you can assign the variable, or you can use dollar followed by function operator. Within the function operator you can give the command. By default, the for loop will read the file contents word by word from the file or other collection. So if you want to read the file content line by line, then you can go for while loop. So this is a general syntax for loop. For space loop variable, it is user defined, and in is a reserved word, and this is a collection or list. And do done, and within the do done you can write your own code. And this is the customized file syntax for loop. So for loop variable in, and here you can use any one. So dollar followed by your target command. So how we can get the file output using command substitution? So simply use cat followed by your static file name, or you can assign the dynamic input using the variable name. Then do done, then you can write the code. So this is the general syntax. Now I will show the demo detailing. So here I will show the command substitution sample. So I will take the sample input. So this is the sample input. Now to print the output of this command to the variable using command substitution, so first use variable name and followed by any syntax. So the second syntax is dollar followed by cat followed by file name. So here the file name is txt. So now this statement assign the output of message.txt, that is assign the output of cat command to the variable. You can simply print the value of k. So through this command substitution we can get the entire output of file to the variable k. So in this way you can show the file contents word by word. Now I will show the demo detailing. So create the file. So just write a welcome message. So the option he indicates, you can use a backslash escape characters like /t/n. So if you want, you can use a dynamic input, or you can use a static input. So here I want a dynamic input. So just use the read command followed by variable name. The variable name is user defined, so you can use any one, and process the word by word logic. Okay. So before the for loop you can use a command substitution process, or you can directly import the command substitution process. So I will show the two one by one. Apply the command substitution. So here the dynamic input can be done with the help of the variable name. So just use dollar followed by variable name. Now the k contains output of the dynamically enter the file output. So after that use the for loop. For loop variable, so you can use any name, and in is a reserved word, and here you can assign the collection. So here the collection is k, because the variable k contains the entire output of the file, and just use do done. So within that you can print the value of I. If you want any counter variable, you can also use a counter variable. C equal to 1. and here $C dot, and increment the counter variable. So you can use a C style or shell style. So C style is very easy, so just use, so this is the standard syntax. Okay, so just replace the expression and increment the variable, that's all. Now I will show the demo. Bash space file name. So give the valid file. Already the valid file is message.txt. So here you can see the file contents word by word, that is one by one. Good morning, welcome to Linux, good night, everything. So in this way you can achieve the file contents word by word. The another method is, suppose if you want to apply the command substitution directly, so just a command here and just use cat followed by your dynamic file. You can use static file or dynamic file. So the dynamic file usually handled with the help of the variable name. So F1 simply. That's all. So just type bash space file name dot sh. So give the valid file name. So here also you can get the file contents word by word. Okay. So in this video you learned how to read file contents word by word detailing with the help of the file loop along with the command substitution. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and please give our comments. Thanks for watching.